Hello, investors. Welcome to the channel where I use technical analysis to find possible swing trades. Before I get started, I'd like to make it clear I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes. Technical indicators are not accurate 100% of the time. The fundamentals of a company and macroeconomic factors can drive share price changes differently than what we might expect based on technical indicators. My goal is to bring these companies to your attention so you can decide for yourself whether or not they're good investments for you. So please, if you plan on investing, do your own due diligence before purchasing shares in any company or consult with a financial advisor. And with that out of the way, today we're taking a look at WW International Inc. Ticker symbol is WW. This is a micro cap with a market cap of $650 million. The company provides digital online technological services to aid people with weight loss all around the world. And here we have WW. We're looking at the annual chart, and you can see there's been a pretty significant string of green days that have pushed the share price well above all the moving averages. Has not quite topped out with the 52-week high yet, but it is most of the way there. And if we scroll down to the RSI, see it is in the overbought zone. These stochastics are both overbought and have turned bearish. The volume chart, thanks to a couple of these big green candles in the past, you really can't see very well. I would hazard a guess here that difficult to see these tiny little candles, but there was a spike in buying pressure, and it looks like it is declining. And the MACD is rising. Doesn't look like it has peaked yet, but this is the second largest peak it's had all year. So given this so far, I'm going to postulate that it looks like we might get another green day or two for this before the momentum stalls and it begins to plummet, offering a fair short opportunity. And as you see way down here below all the current trends, there is a pretty significant gap that took place between April 10th and April 11th. That gap has not filled. That would be a significant drop all the way down to about $4.15. So a short on a company trading at $8.53 all the way down to $4.15 would be a considerable profit. And I'd like to just take a look at the fundamentals in a very brief cursory overview, and you can see there is significant short interest already at almost 15%. The debt to equity ratio does not give a relation to others in the industry, so I can't draw a conclusion based on the numbers here, although that looks like at least a moderate amount of debt. The company was not profitable in the last year, so there is no PE ratio offered. The gross margin is actually above average at 58.96%. That is a good gross margin, and it beats out 66% of other companies in the industry, which E-Trade defines here as the personal services industry. However, the operating margin is abysmal at negative 32%, which is less than 76% of its peers in the industry. So even though it generates more income, it keeps far less of it than others. And again, it's because the company is not profitable in the last year. There is no return on equity, and the return on assets, return on invested capital are both negative. The earnings per share growth is less than 88% of other companies in the industry, and there is no dividend. So all those fundamentals other than gross margin are terrible. This company is not strong by any measurable metric, but it still seems to have a rising share price, and it's not related to the earnings. You can see over here, it's the latest earnings on May 4th, and it was a miss. missed by a significant margin, I should add. So the current upswing is really inexplicable, and it seems likely that it will turn quickly into a downtrend, and you could capitalize on that through shorting this company. But I'm interested to hear what you think of WW. So please let me know in the comments below. And if you got something out of this video, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to help out the channel. If you enjoy these brief overviews of companies that might be good swing trades, please leave a comment for the YouTube algorithm. And if you'd like me to take a look at a particular company using these indicators, then mention that in the comments and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and good luck with all your investments.